So guys, you remember before we placed an order on this particular page, we had 95 followers, right? So which means that we are expecting 195 followers at least, right? So let's check it, so let's check. So I need to log into the account right now. So let's confirm. And boom, you can see we currently have 198 followers. And when you check like this, you can see new followers just entered, 99 plus followers just entered. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to actually buy TikTok followers, and let's go there. So all you need to do is for you to come to this platform called growbetter.net right here. In this platform, all you need to do is for you to come right here, create an account, and do the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to achieve this. So let's go there. So when you come to this platform, this is how to create an account. You don't need to come to the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here that the root username. Put your username, preferable username you want, write it together, do not give space, and come to this email right here, and put your email right you want to actually put, and come to password, create a password, and confirm your password. After you've done that, come and click on this I'm not a robot, and it's going to rotate and tick, and come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Boom, tap on it, and your account is going to be created. All right, so due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do basically is for me to just sign in and continue to show you guys how you can actually buy these followers. So let's go. So guys, right here I'll be logging into my account. As you can see right here, when you log into your account, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So just in case if you want to buy TikTok follower, what you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see Instagram follower, Instagram views, Instagram like. These are other services you can actually get there, even Facebook and all those things, right? So but today let's go to TikTok. So basically what we're going to be doing right here is to purchase TikTok followers, and you can see right here, you can see this TikTok followers always working. You can see TikTok good service. You can also see TikTok followers stable service, but there are a lot of TikTok followers right here. So I just need to select this particular one, TikTok followers always working. So and once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it, and select any preferable service you want. So I'm going to be using this particular first one. So and the next thing is for you to read description. Description actually stated that the minimum you can order is 10 followers. The max you can order is 1 million followers. And also the right here they said the link type is your profile link. They say the global, that the quality is global user, and they also say the processing speed may vary during the high traffic period. They also say do not place a second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So it's important when you place an order, just a size patient your order is going to be delivered. Do not place another order on the same link. It's going to complicate both of them, right? So display the root link is actually where you're going to be putting your link. So right here is where you're going to be putting your link. So let me show you guys how to copy your link on TikTok. So let's go to TikTok. So here is the account I want to boost right here. It currently has 95 followers, right? So I'm going to be buying 100 followers, which is going to make it 195 followers. So if you want to copy a link, all you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you just need to come back right here and paste your link right here, and come to this quantity and put the amount of followers you want. So right here I want 100, so I'm just going to put 100, and all I need to do right is for me to click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? And I just need to tap on it, boom, and you can see they said your order have been received, which means that my order have been received. So what I need to do basically is for me to just wait, and these followers will start coming into my page. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing right here is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you now fund account in this platform? It's very simple. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and you can see by your left hand side right here, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here, you can see this dots right here. Can you see this dot? Tap on it, and you can see there are two payment options right here, Quora Pay and manual. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them, but firstly let's start with Quora Pay. So once you select Quora Pay, come right here and put the amount of full amount you want to add. So I just put 1,000, and right here I click on this pay right here and wait for it to load. So once it loads, Corapay is going to ask you how would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. If you select debit card, all you need to do is to put your card details right here and click on pay. Or if you select a bank transfer, you just need to read this instruction right here, click on this I understand instruction and click on continue, right? And Corapay is going to provide account number, which you can see right here. All you need to do is to make payment to the account number, and you don't need to do anything. It's going to reflect, and your money is going to reflect to your balance. Okay, so let me show you guys how to use manual. So let's go back. So once you come select manual right here, all you need to do is to read the instruction stated kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see First Bank, you can see Mass Million is the name right here, and right here you can see do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. Right here they say provide proof of payment, which is payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Right here they said click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. Right, basically all you need to do right here is for you to send money to this account number. After you send money to the account number, you can either click on this contact us or click on this WhatsApp icon right here, and you send them your proof of payment and your username. They are going to fund your account manually, and it's easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. All right, so what we're going to be doing right here is that we're going to be going back to TikTok to actually check if the followers that we bought is actually counting already. So all we need to do is to come back to TikTok, and remember, before we place an order in this platform, you can see we have 95 followers. So all we need to do is for us to refresh to actually know if these followers are already coming in. And boom, you can see we currently have 198 followers, and when you check like this, you can see new followers just entered. 99 plus followers just entered, and you can see they just entered about 20 hours ago. After I made the video, I had to wait for the followers to come, and it skipped my mind to actually do the continuation, but that's it. You can see it right here. So if you're looking forward to purchase TikTok followers, just come to this platform. The link is in the description, right? And do the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get them, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.